Trouble start. Trouble start. Welcome back, guys, to another video. You know, as you come in, guys, just ask them to just please click that like button. Alright, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. You know, turn on your post notification bell, guys. So today is our big day. You get me? I say our big day. We are going to lay the concrete on the decking now, guys. You can see a whole heap of pipe we never did it before. You get me? So the electricians and the plumbers, they came in, them lay all them pipe work here, guys. Electrical conduits are put in, pipe work also put in, you know, for the upstairs, of course. So as we had said in previous videos, we'll not be going upstairs in immediate. So as the rest of the plumbing work is just putting them in, you know, that in the future when we do decide to go up on top of this thing, we already have the groundwork done, you know. But you know, with electrical work, overhead lighting is needed, you know. Yeah, so those are put in also what them call the pipe up. So them here, what they call the pipe up, so like the plugs on top, them pipe up. These, they are like this, the sockets for in the house, like in the rooms and so on. So all them here, wanna see? A pipe, what they call them pipe up for the upstairs floor, right? So anyway, guys, we'll go on. The company will be coming in shortly. They actually here actually. Them actually do another decking around the road. I don't know if you can see it from here, so. But look, we're going to see that crane arm there. And the pump truck, as how them call it. Look in the distance out there. So see that arm? So I guess when them finish that job, then they're gonna come around here. Yeah man, so anyway, yeah man, so they'll be coming in shortly, right? So can step on our way. Can soon come. Alright. Yeah, so they'll be doing the decking, and further on in the video, guys, you're gonna know how much it will cost you to get your decking done, guys. So stay tuned. Alright, so we'll reveal that towards the end of the video, so just stick around, guys. It will be epic, you know what I mean? So yeah, so this is where we are so far. You know, I mean, every stage we reach, every milestone we cross, it just feels so good, you know. It's a lot of sacrifice, a lot of sweat, a lot of gamble. I mean, literally, you have to make some sacrifices. And sacrifices is almost like, you know, you're taking gambles sometimes, because, you know, sometimes you have a piece of food, a piece of money, and you say, boy, you know, you don't want to probably do this or do that, but instead you choose to do this, you know, because, like, literally, guys, persons might ask, you know, why we never expand our space that we live in at the moment, you know, all them kind of stuff people might ask. And it's all about the sacrifice that you put in, you know what I mean? And at the end of the day, you have to think about the cash flow and creating more revenue stream. That's the important thing, because if we have our money and we put that directly into our living space, yeah, the place will be more comfortable, you know, it will be more luxurious, more nicer or whatever. But at the end of the day, us doing this, it will enable us in the future to be able to afford a lot more, you know, because if we have the one piece of money, we take that and add on to our space that we have right now, then we kind of almost things will be slowing down, you know. But you know, we take the money and we turn it so we can create more profit, you know. But yeah, guys, me just noticed something. So just inspect this thing. These card line here, they are like guidelines for the guys that are pouring the concrete to know the height. This, so them can know the height. See one more here too? The height at which to pour. Alright? What happened here? This pipe, these are the main for the electrical what will come in at the building. Him laid up pipe here right here, so. And it seems as if him forget say this for the on top. So what go on is the guideline here get screwed up. I have to string another card. Tie right there, so. Right there, tie from right there and go right across the other side. The mason is not here right now and then need more make sure so the guideline in place. So I'm gonna do that right now. So now, I'm string the other card, so basically you see the concrete will go above the pipe, so the pipe will be within the roof. Alright, so one of the mixer truck them there pull up, guys. One of them there. Alright, so what happened is these mixer truck them carry the concrete come and them unload it in the pump truck. And the pump truck now send it up here, so. The pump truck has the crane part on it where, you know, stretch over anywhere and things. So that's a go on right now, guys. Alright. So General, what do you just park on the roadside? Eh? But I did some soon the park all the while. I want to do that out of the park on the roadside same way. The park on the roadside, man.
Hey guys, so see what I'm going? See Adrian here. So Adrian was flying his drone.
What's up, guys?
We're trying to get good footage for you guys, alright? So we're at the stage in our building now where we're actually going to be doing the roof, decking the roof. Right? So we have the men here. My name there. We're gonna tell you how we came to the conclusion of this company, why we did what. So we're here at this stage now. We chose this company. It was like what are 3 companies and we chose this one. So we're just there. I'm just excited. I'm a sore throat, but it speaks for itself. Yeah. So Adrian, Mr. Foreman is here, manning him work.
Yeah, no tingo, guys. No tingo.
So he is.
Yes, answer me.
No.
You know, so if you red answer bite me.
Answer bite you.
Yeah, man.
I'm not.
Red answer a while ago.
I've never been on that roof because I just think it's extremely unsafe. And me have a fear factor. I don't care who was saying, I coward man keeps on board. I not go up there. So I make the men go up there, and when it's done, me go up there. There's all that steel and it's just uneven and just, I not go up there. But anyways, they've been going up there. I've been seeing footage like y'all, so I've not actually seen what's happening up there. I've just looked on. So I'm going to see what happened now. Them say we are going to use what? About 26 cubic of concrete. So let's see what's happening.
Oh no, anxiety creeps up on me. Is this how it's supposed to feel? Tell me when it's over. I got someplace that I gotta be. It won't leave. My friends say, get out of your comfort zone. It's a blessing in disguise. Get out of what you call home. Your name is written in the sky. It might feel just like you're on your own, but baby, it's another lie. Remember you were made. I try to.
Trouble start. Trouble start. Start. Shoot concrete. The general. So what did you do? Vibrator. So what that really do? What that do to the work?
Shape up the concrete underneath the steel, is it?
Yeah, make sure say go in properly.
Yeah, it's concrete harder.
Okay. Guys, basically, them send down to the next truck. The truck that was here, it did have around 2 yards of concrete tonight, so them just let out that. So them send gone for the rest. Them send gone to another truck because I probably run 3 truckload, you know. It's gonna take to do this because, yeah, huh? Who is that? It's over. See, I miss out on the action, you know, but so life go. You know? Yep. You see a good percentage of it, it's covered already.
Without rhyme or reason, I'm not an optimist. I just never dress for the season. There's no reason. It's time to pay off all my attention.
Come on.
Deep down, I need to take a wrong turn.
Morning. Pleasant morning. We know probably I'll get this video here in the afternoon. You know, it's our usual upload time. You know, but yeah, it's morning for me. I am here now. Just wetting the decking, guys. Because you know them say the concrete in order to set properly without the cracks, you have to constantly wet it every day. Every morning, every evening, you know. So when the heat catch it, it don't crack up, you know. So yeah, so the decking actually completed it last evening, kind of late, you know. But yeah, this is it. We have some little bit the pipe right there being exposed because some issues when the plumbers were up top, but I mean, we can just get some cement and put over it, you know, that part. So because the steel work, we spent outside the steel work was was difficult, but that's minor. Yeah, so yes, so decking completed, guys. So now I just make sure to wet it for the next few days, a week or so, every day, you know. Yep. Sun now come through the trees and the moisture, a nice ray right there. Yep.
Hey guys, first time me seeing the roof since it's car. So they take down the board and everything on the outside. Yeah, it's how it looks. I could go inside now.
So this is it, guys. Inside and outside pull down.
Yeah. So this is the entrance. This is the entryway. You walk in.
I'll get the guys to come back for their boards.
Yeah, this is a reconstruction site now.
Yeah. See it here, guys. Looking good. The tear down. The guys gonna come tomorrow to clear out.
Yeah.
And likewise, the plumbers and the electricians gonna come in and start to fit them work on the inside.
The roof covered. The roof is covered.
In here feel cool and nice, you know.
Yeah, in here is cool. I was feeling the breeze from outside. Feeling
Yeah.
the breeze from outside. You can't escape the Portmore breeze. Can't escape the Portmore.
I'm glad that the breeze have come through. I mean, we have lovely ventilation based on the design, the windows and so it's nice.
People like this is the stage where you see like we're almost done. Next thing now we are gonna do the flooring. So what's next on the list of things that we're gonna do? So the roof is done. We're gonna do the electrical and plumbing work is gonna be done now. Then we're gonna start on
the floor and the rendering.
The rendering and then the floor.
Yeah. Hey guys.
Hi.
This is Nicole.
Hi.
Yeah.
I just realized that she's actually a subscriber as well. So she booked her Airbnb. She's staying here.
Yes.
How's it been?
It's very nice. Very clean. Very organized.
Good to know. Good to know.
Yes.
Thank you.
Very
So thank you very much for your support.
Yep.
So we always love hearing from you guys and we love when you support us. I would love to meet you guys.
Yes.
Because I mean you always see us with us, you know.
Yes.
So it's
Yes.
good to finally see you guys.
Yes.
I want to say she booked and communication was good and everything and she came. Never ever know that you're from YouTube.
Yes. I took 1 week vacation from New York, Bronx, New York, to come.
How was that?
and
Out
visit.
of the cold, right?
Yes.
Nice.
9 degrees. Freezing.
Wow.
I'm here to melt off a little bit.
Yeah, man.
You're right.
So good to meet you, Nicole. So you're gonna enjoy yourself today.
Yes. I
hope
meet
you have
my
fun.
Arden people.
Oh,
In Portmore.
You're
Yes.
from Portmore?
No, Arden people that live in Portmore.
Okay.
Oh, so you used to go to Arden?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm from Lifford Avenue, off Linders Road.
Linders
I wanna
Road.
go there.
Oh,
Okay.
But
Kingston.
I have a house in Red Hills now.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
Yes.
Really
That's
good to
really
meet you.
good.
Yes, it's a
Really good to
pleasure.
meet you.
Nicole.
It's a
So
pleasure.
enjoy yourself today. We know you have
Sure.
plans. So
Yes,
tell us
thank
about
you
it.
for
Tell
your
us
welcome.
about your experience.
Oh, and happy Mother's Day.
Yes,
Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day.
You too.
Yes. And this video will be going out today.
Yes.
Guys, happy Mother's Day.
Yes.
Happy Mother's
Happy
Day.
Mother's Day, everyone.
Happy Mother's Day.
Yes.
How did you forget you?
She here with her big son, them dead stamp on each other. Well, he's of her, Guys, just go plug in our Airbnb. Link in the description if you want to book our Airbnb. See Nicole, another one of our viewers, another of our supporters. She came and she's enjoying it.
Yes.
Right? So we schedule the work, the nice aspect of it around when we have reservations.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you never experienced any issues?
No issues whatsoever. It's everything is intact.
Good.
Bed is very comfortable. I wanted to sleep extra time, but I have to be on the go.
Yeah, plans.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Pray and get it going for coffee.
Listen, that's how you have to. That's how I like to plan my vacation time too. More have to get some activities in. Yeah, more rest, but more have to do other things that I couldn't do when I work.
Right. Yeah, so thank you. So we're gonna tell them all about what we're going about this one and things. So we'll complete that
Alright.
video. So
Alright then.
good to meet you.
Nice
It's
to
a
meet you,
pleasure.
And
Enjoy Mother's Day.
enjoy.
You too.
Yes. Yeah, guys, so that's it from Nicole. Alright. Yeah, man. Yeah.
We're at a very advanced stage, and we're so happy that we got the roof covered. What was your experience? So we need to talk about the roof, because I know that you guys are anticipating this video. You want to know the cost, you want to know the experience, you want to know why we chose the route that we chose. So we have to start first with the experience. Alright, so the experience. Remember, we are actually still in the process of booking guests for our Airbnb and them staying here. So we were factoring two things into the method that we use. So you can use manual where the man then mix it and pour it in. So we chose Concrete Mix Company because it will be a lot quicker, it will be quieter, and it will be just a very quick, quiet process.
Yeah, like a few minutes. They literally them can sit in a few minutes.
Yeah, it takes more than a minute, but you know, it's compared to the whole day with knives and everything and the bodywood cussing and all that lyrics going on in the day, right? We just chose to do it in a very quick way, so it's quick. It took us like, you know, or probably like a few minutes.
Yeah. So anyway, boom. So in terms of, so with our floor plan, guys, we have like probably 800 square feet, right? The number of walls you have on the inside are going to determine how much concrete is used as well, right? How many rooms, how much partition. They what them call the beam go around that affect how much concrete you use and steel too.
Yeah, so the more beams you have, the more concrete.
Yeah, because we use about 2.5 ton of steel. 2.5 ton of steel. Steel around now from anywhere from 160,000 up. You understand? So you can do the maths right there. So probably close to 400,000 in terms of steel, or more. I mean, calculate. I'm on my feet.
Like that's a rough calculation we're giving you.
Right. So that's the steel. You have to talk about. You have to rent board. You have to rent board too. You see what I say? And every company do them thing different. Company when me use them give me a one flat package when me get board from foundation stage, because you have to cast what you call them, columns come from ground, come right up till you reach the decking where you have all of the ply, you have the props them to the metal props. In other videos you know where I see the prop them where them up vertically for all up. We use about 50 prop. Generally me here say around $50 per day per prop them charge. So based on our work what we have here, so around $2,500 a day that for prop rental alone. You understand? The man have to fit up the props and then him go upstairs and do the steel work. So you have to have the prop them before the place even cast. Probably a week or more before the place actually cast, because they have to fit up cap and prop and then go upstairs and do steel work. So now have to think about them things.
And then after it casts now, it has to stay on for 2 weeks.
Right. So if we do a quick match right there, so right, you look on $2,500 a day times around 3 weeks. 37 to 21 days. You look on $52,000 for rent proper loan. Zine? And then we never read 2 before. So only can do the maths. Everybody floor plan is different, and as a result the number of props you are gonna need will be different. Some people are gonna need more.
And the amount of what you call them, yeah?
The plyboard. Plyboard and 2 before. Yeah, all them things there. So you have some place to rent the plyboard them feel 8 bills to $1,000 a day. And you're gonna need whole heap of plyboard. So
we not even know how much we use.
To be honest, because the man just charge one thing.
Yeah, that was kind of good for us because we do it a bit different. Most persons would have to actually count the amount that you get and times it by the amount of days and so forth. For us, we got like a package deal where we say, alright, for the entire length of no construction, you can pay me this amount of money and I'll provide you with everything you need. And for us, that worked out perfectly because at least we now have your calculate every minute and I'll both it and I say, alright.
Lord God, hurry up and take down. And the farm them I go around to. Farm, me about $1,500 a day for farm. Otherwise, if you have to buy your own plyboard, guys, you have to buy plyboard and then you have to buy the lot. So lot will be like, ooh, go to the nail cut here. So this are the ply, you cut your ply and then you buy them two them lat here, what them call lat, and make up your thing them. So him one thing. Yeah, so everything taken into consideration as it relates to board rental and so guys, we can't go no definite because everybody plan different. So you just have to do the maths. One sheet of plyboard typically I run close to $10,000.
Wow.
So if you need 30 sheet of ply, can do the maths.
So the next thing you have to talk about are the steelwork. So for us, remember steelwork is different. So the man them probably call in the steelwork man if him not do it. But in our case, Everton actually did the steelwork.
Right. So some people would tie out steel per ton.
Yeah.
And we have to run 2.5 ton of steel up there. You understand?
So you can calculate that cost as well. How much you tie out a ton of steel?
Yeah, various price, 80, 100,000 a ton. So when you can do the maths. It could be more. I'm just saying. Nobody take. When me say and go to another workman and say that me here. No, because our workman when I work based on that. Him give me an overall figure. I just hearsay the figure when me I go now. I just like a hearsay figure. So
in other words, let us tell you how we do things. So we always negotiate, and you have to do the same thing too. If we're doing something, we have to get at least 3 different prices. So I always say this, get at least 3 different prices for the same thing. And so you can know what exactly is the range out there. And then with the person who has the most experience, the most knowledge, you go to negotiate with that person. Say, alright, we want to do this. The price says this, but what is the best price we can get it for? Because don't believe that because one man says it's 160, you can't get somebody that can do it for 140.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, I'm glad you mentioned that, because guess what now, we're going to the next segment, which is like the concrete itself. So can start about shopping around, get different quotation. You have name brand company in Jamaica, you get me I say, where what we call them up, get a quotation because them people do measurement for it, we look around 25 to 26. They call it cubic yard concrete. Again, it now applicable to UNO because UNO floor plan different, the size and nothing are different and so some people might require 26, some people might require 40, some people might require 90 in the cubic yard of concrete. It all depends on your floor plan. But generally we call a company one of the top reputable company them based on our floor plan. They might tell you 700,000 for cars, and that exclude the crew. So the crew are gonna spread the concrete, we have to go sort out that different. 700,000.
Yeah.
You understand? Because of them rate, the rate's really high. They might charge probably around some 26,000 per cubic yard. When they do the maths.
Exactly. What we've done is to look at other companies who do the exact same thing and look at the packaging, like what are we getting when we pay this money? Are we getting crew? What kind of package we're getting? What we found out is that there are actually cheaper companies around. We actually found 2 cheaper companies that were doing it for 19.5.
Like 19 and 19.5.
Yeah, 19 and 19.5 per cubic yard. Right? Also, negotiate. Negotiate. So one of the things that we always say, like you can't just say, alright, this them say, and if you can talk to the person, talk to the salesperson, talk to the rep and say, listen, this is what I have, this is what I want, what you can do for me, how can you? Because to be honest, if you just say, alright, $600,000, I don't say, alright, okay.
Just shell it out, Try to negotiate.
But somebody else next door talk to them and say, yo brother, what you can do? This is what I want, want it done tomorrow, want it done next week. This is what I offer. What you give me? You give me crew, I want crew to, alright, give me this discount then. So again guys, factor all of your cost into it. Rough range, we paid about 507,000.
At 19,500 per yard. Cubic yard, you look on roughly over 500,000. That's what we paid.
Yeah.
Your thing might different.
You might pay less, you might pay more.
Right.
Again, it all depends on what you're doing. Because some persons do it different. Some persons cast them beam before them do everything else as well.
True.
So
the beam is the thing will go around the top of the walls.
Show them.
Like here, we can probably use a board, stretch up there and show them this. Like guys, this is the beam.
Yeah.
This is the beam. So some people manually cast out this. If with the cast of beam myself, would have paid the concrete company 300 and probably under 400,000. Yeah, would have paid under 400,000 for cast it, but because we make them cast the beam plus the roof, it costs 500.
But here's the next thing. If you're going to go manual, which is what we have to do a lot, you have to go pay the man them per day. You're going to need a certain amount of man, probably like 14 man or more.
You have to buy cement.
You have to go buy cement, you have to go buy the sand and the gravel.
Plus your water.
Yes, so it's still not going to be that cheap. When we worked out, for us, when we work out the manual cost versus having a cement company come and pour for us, it worked out to be about the same price. And when we looked at it, the mixer company, when they come, it's going to be easier for us. So we chose that route because of our guests that we have here.
Yeah.
Because our Airbnb is still operational. So we didn't want to have no big disruptions. We're not like the old panais.
Yeah.
So that's why we did that.
Yeah.
So guys, in the comment section, tell us what you thought about this video. Let us know if you have any more questions that we could answer. Because we always answer the question everyone wants.
Yeah.
Right.
I'll try as best as possible.
As possible.
Yeah.
Right.
Certain exact figure we can't provide, like with the board rental guys, we can't provide the exact figure because our arrangement
was
different. So when you contact the people them, you can negotiate, you can ask. As we say, we take like probably 2.5 tons of steel. For anything like different, again, it all varies.
Yeah, so basically what we're leaving you with is do your research. Have at least 3 quotations for everything. We did it for the electrician, for the plumber, we did it for everything. Have at least 3 different prices. Talk to people, negotiate your price, and get the job done how you want it to.
Yeah, man.
This is it from the Del Pratt family.
Yes, and again, happy Mother's Day, guys. We're trying our best to push out a video today.
Yes.
You get me, I say? And yeah, man, subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Important, guys, for us. Subscribe.
So I know a lot of you are watching, you're enjoying the content, but when you not subscribe, we know it because we are looking at the figures. When you not subscribe yet.
Yeah.
Oh, not Rifa.
Yeah.
Press the subscribe button. Subscribe, alright guys? Remember to turn on your post notification bell once you have subscribed.
Yes, and book with us, guys. Tropical Vacay, link in the description.
And look us up on IG.
Yeah,
so
man.
we have our Tropical Vacay
Portmore.
Portmore.
Tropical Vacay Portmore is the Instagram.
Handle. And of course we have Cassie Does Life JA as my Instagram handle, and Delhi Energy.
Yeah, that's me. And our Del Pratt family. Just follow us all over, guys. Del Pratt family on Instagram, Del Pratt family on TikTok,
and on Facebook.
Yeah, man. Yep. Definitely.
Bye, lovely
we
people.
out, guys.
Give
Peace
us a
out.
thumbs up.
Yep.